Hey dear Gleaner Artistic family, welcome to VLOGMAS 2024. I am so excited to spend the next 31 days with you, sharing creativity, inspiration, and all the holiday magic we can fit into 1 month. You know, every year around the time, I think about how much joy color brings to our lives, especially during the holidays. For me, this is my birth month. 25th of December is my birthday. Vlogmas is all about using that joy to create something meaningful. Either it is a vibrant room makeover, a heartful do it yourself paint project, or even a simple painted wall design that tells a story. I started Vlogmas as a way to bring my love for colors and the holiday together and to share it with all of you. So, whether you are a seasonal, do it yourself, or just dipping your brush into the creative world, I promise there is something here for everyone this season. Here's what you can expect every single day. We will dive into a brand new project of ideal from trading holidays paint colors and decor tips to do-it-yourself tutorial that will have you feeling like a pro. And don't worry, I have planned some surprise along the way. Now, let's kick things off with this festive series with the fun and magnificent topic Christmas, colors, and their meaning. I'm so excited to kick off this festive series with a fun and meaningful topic. Like I said, Christmas color and their meaning. Today we'll explore the symbolism behind the classic Christmas color, why they are important, and how you can incorporate them into your decor and wardrobe to truly embrace the holiday spirit. Let's start with red, the most icon Christmas color. Red symbolizes love, warmth, and the joy of the season. It reminds us of the vibrant berries on a holy bush and the robes of St. Nicholas. Now, incorporate red through ointment table, runners, and throw pillows. A red ancient wall can also create a warm festive atmosphere. So if you have any parts in your apartment that you have red color, you can just top it more and let it display for this season. And if you also want to have a touch of red to your walls, you can look for a smaller place where you can just paint red on the wall for this season. And of course, you can gladly cover it after the festive season with your color of choice. Add a red scarf, sweater, or even bold lipstick. That is for the ladies. You can add a bold lipstick to your outfit for a classic holiday look. And for the gentlemen, you can put on a red scarf around your sweater this season. Next is green. Green symbolizes life, renew, and the evergreen trees that stays lushy throughout winters. Green connects you to nature and the promise of new beginning. Use green roots, greenland, and foxes greenery to bring freshness indoors. You can pair with warm light for a cozy look. A green velvet dress or a simple emerald accessories can add an elegant, festive touch to your outfit. And of course, you can play around with green painted colors on white on your wall. Gold represents light, luxury, and the gift of the magic. It is perfect color to add glamorous and sophisticated to your decor. Use gold in your ointments, candles, or even tableware to add a stunning glow to your holiday step up. A gold sequence dress or sable gold jewelry is perfect for holidays parties. Silver symbolizes elegances, peace, and the winter forest. It pairs beautifully with almost any other Christmas colors. So you can pair silver with red, green, white, black. Add silver through three toppers, tinsel and metallic ribbons for a frosty modern touches. That's for those of us that's going to be decorating our Christmas tree. You can make use of this silver color on top of your tree. A silver cloth or sparkle shoe can make any outfit feel festive this season. Yes, for the ladies or the gentlemen, you can put on a silver shoe with any color, be it red, green, and you look perfect this festive season. White represents purity, peace, and the snow covers landscapes of winter. For those of us that have snow in our country, here in Nigeria, we don't. It brings a calm and scenario vibe to your decor. I'm talking about white color. How to use white in decor? Use white lights and Foxy snow spray for a dreamy winter wonderland effect. So you can pair whites into your decor to bring the winter atmosphere indoors. A cozy white sweater or a chic winter coat marks for a perfect seasonal look. Here is a tip. Blend these colors to create a balanced and festive look. For example, pair red and green for a traditional theme or combine gold and white for a luxurious modern feel. Let me know in the comments which color is your favorite and how do you plan to use it this Christmas. There is for day one of our Vlogmas. Hope this inspires you to bring this meaningful Christmas color into your home and wardrobe this season. Tomorrow we'll explore how to make pigment coloring paste for paints. And I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss it because you're going to learn how to produce your own color paste to enable you mix these wonderful colors this season. And of course, to transform your space with festive fare. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss it. This December, I am thrilled to announce something very special for Vlogmas 2024. From December 1st to December 31st, I'll be selecting one lucky winner every day from the comment section of my video. Last year, during the Gleaner Paint Empowerment Training, we celebrated our winners with an ebook. This year, we are taking it up a notch. Each winner will get a personalized teaching section on how to produce different types of paint and how you can start your paint manufacturing business. A priceless opportunity to learn and grow your skill in paint manufacturing business. So here's how you can win. 1. Watch my videos daily. 2. Engage by dropping thoughtful and interactive comments below each videos daily. 3. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. 4. Stay consistent. You never know which video comment section the winner will be chosen from. I want to see you creative, so don't hold back. Let's make this Vlogmas unforgettable. Start commenting and know how you could be our next winner. Let's kick off this festive season with fun learning and lots of engagement. Good luck to everyone. Bye for now. See you in our next video tomorrow.